Good night, I'm LJ, aka That One Dead Vamp, and tonight I'm going to be showing you my Emo Ashley cosplay that I made for stream. I forgot to make an intro and an outro, so here's editor LJ almost 4 months later. So this cosplay isn't as good as I would want it to be. I had to rush a lot because I finished it the night I planned and scheduled to stream the Resident Evil 4 finale. So it's a little rushed, but I still want to put up this video because I do think there's some good aspects to it. So yeah, stick around, hope you enjoy. Okay, so here are my materials and such. Here I'm using the red dye with some hot water and dish soap to dye the sleeves. Now I'm making the necklace. We're just stringing some beads on this plastic chain with a little clasp. Trying to make it as accurate as possible to the picture. Next, I'm making my own little chains. I just used some wire and some beads and attached it to a little bracelet I had, and then just clipped that onto the necklace, and then I put a little pink bow on it. Next, what I did was make the gold star. I found this little cutout of a star and some of this sparkly gold foam. So I just traced out the star, cut it out, and then glued it with E6000. Or I think it's E36000. And then I just strung it through this wire that I used as the hook. And then I made my own little candy bracelets. The Leon one, Mother, and then Where's Everyone Going? Bingo bracelet. Here I'm tracing out where I want to cut the shirt so it'll be a little bit cropped. Cutting it out using hair cutting scissors, which was probably a mistake, but it works nonetheless. Okay, here's the shirt after I cut off the bottom and the neckline, and then the sleeves, they didn't really fit the way I wanted it to, so I mean, it's fine. And here I am drawing on the design on the shirt. I'm using a white watercolor pencil to draw it out. Drawed it by eye, which is pretty crazy, but it wasn't too hard. Drawing the chainsaw on the back. This was a little bit more difficult because it was really hard to find a good reference photo for it.
Does that look good? I can't tell. Okay, so I have an hour until stream. I still haven't even painted the shirt. So here's the plan. I'm going to very quickly, very thinly paint Ashley's shirt and then set it in front of a fan while I do my hair and makeup, get dressed the rest of the way, and then do the pink parts. Yeah, hopefully I can do it, cause it's like 6 something. I don't know, it's like 6:20. I am scheduled to start stream at 7. So hey, let's get started. Okay, it is 7:11. Stream's gonna be a little late. First, I'm gonna do my hair. Pink part has to dry. So I'm using this stuff. This is like 10 years old. Clip it back. So then I can do my makeup. This is hella old as well. It's the CC cream, e.l.f. CC cream. It's got sunscreen in it and acts as a concealer and a foundation. Using this Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush in Berry Cheeks. It's pretty pigmented. So it looks like her eye makeup is a warm brown and then a smoky, well, a smoky brown and black eye. Let's see what I have. Neutral Territory by Morphe. It's pretty. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's like a base. It goes along the shape of her eye. Thank God. And the bottom as well. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. I think I'm gonna take some Curated Liberty and do a very emo thing. I have this. I think I got it on TikTok shop or something like that. It's a white liner. I need a small mirror for this. I know it looks like crap right now. Hold on. I have this. Got forever ago. It looks like a doo-doo, but this beautiful shiny white. Hold on. That I like to put in the corners. And that white liner will help it stick a little better. Okay. I'm gonna put some highlight up here. She has blonde eyebrows, so I'm not even gonna worry about mine. I think that's pretty good. Second to last step is gonna be mascara. This also helps the dark appear dark, like my eyes appear darker, because I don't have a dark enough black to match hers, but you know, it's fine. Okay, her lips look kind of orangey toned. I think I have the perfect lip gloss. This Twilight New Moon lip gloss from ColourPop. It's called Runs with Vampires. This is really pretty orangey gloss. I think it'll be perfect. pretty good to me. I don't know how to explain it, but this hair stuff smells like my childhood. Okay, let's take these clips out. It should be dry by now. Just gonna comb through. Oh my god, look at this comb. It's all pink. Comb through it. Oh, it's still a little wet. Yes, that is the sound of my hair breaking. I don't like how it's like poofing out. I don't want to ruin my straightener, so I'm just gonna leave it. Okay. Karen looks kind of crazy right now. Straighten. Let's get these pieces back here really quick. I'm just flipping it out. Do it. Punk look. Shoot, I wish I had hairspray. I'm gonna try to use this stuff. Giovanni Wicked texture stuff. Okay, it's now almost 8 o'clock. Sorry if you tried to join this stream at 7 and it wasn't there. I was doing this. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. I feel like I look like a Fall Out Boy member more than I do Ashley Graham. But you know what? Get some more of this. The trick is you want to warm it in your hands first. That way it'll actually do stuff to your hair. Scratch it a little. Give it more volume. How am I gonna wear headphones? I didn't think about this. Is this Ashley Graham? Is it emo? Yep, let's go and get changed. I'll show you the outfit really quick and then I gotta start the stream. Okay, here is finished. I do want to eventually do this better because I feel like I drew it really good and it'd be a shame to leave it like this. Also, I drew the chainsaw on the back, but I don't have time to paint it. I need to start streaming. Here are my bracelets. Mother, if you get it, you get it. WEGB. Where's everyone going? Bingo. And then, of course, Leon with a little star. Got my jelly bracelets. I couldn't find any. Little necklace. Don't look at the star. What's this? I had to tie this shirt in the back. Also, I hate how pastel this turned out. I used Rit dye, sucked, dyed it twice, did this, didn't even wash it. But yeah, let me show you the shorts. I thrifted these shorts at the Goodwill. Very lucky find. These are just a bunch of chokers tied together. Have an old belt, and then my chain. Oh, shirt's coming apart. But yeah. Bring it up just a tad. It's the finished Ashley Graham costume. My Twitch. Well, I'll do the outro in a minute. Bye! It's Editor LJ again. It's much later than that last clip you just saw. That was the finished Ashley cosplay. Go check out my TikTok. I just uploaded a couple TikToks in that cosplay. You can see it a little bit better than in the video. And also go check out the stream that I did in cosplay. It'll be on my YouTube. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.
Hope you like the cosplay. Like I said, it's a little bit messier and rushed than I would like it to be, but I still really liked it and I enjoyed the process. So I hope you did too. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, thank you for watching. Good morning.